Dividing fractions. Look at the divisor. 7/8 divided by 2/3. Find the reciprocal of the divisor. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. 7/8 times 3/2 equals 21/16. That reduces to 1 5/16. Find the quotients. Pause the video, solve the problems, unpause the video to see the answers. Find the quotients. Question number 2, 10 divided by 1/2. 10/1 times 2/1. 10 times 2 equals 20/1, which equals 20. Question number 3, 1/2 divided by 1/3. We keep, change, flip. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 is able to go into 3 once with 1 left over. So our answer is 1 1/2. Question number 4, 3/7 divided by 3. First we write 3/7 divided by 3/1. Now that both numbers are fractions, we keep, change, flip. We can reduce before we multiply. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. 7 times 1 equals 7. Our answer is 1/7. Question number 5, 2/5 divided by 1/4. First we keep, then we change, then we flip. We cannot reduce before we multiply. 2 times 4 equals 8. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 is able to divide 8 once with 3 left over. So our answer is 1 3/5. Question 6, 3/5 divided by 2/3. We keep, change, flip. We cannot reduce before we multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 2 is 10. Our answer is 9/10. Question number 7, 4 divided by 2/3. First, we need to make sure that every number is a fraction. Now we can solve. First we keep, then we change, then we flip. We can reduce before we multiply. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 1 times 1 equals 1. 6/1 equals 6. Question number 8, 1/2 divided by 6. First we write the problem so that it only has fractions. Then we keep, change, flip. We cannot reduce ahead of time, so we have to multiply across. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 6 is 12. Our answer is 1/12. Question number 13, 1/2 divided by 1/4. We're going to keep, change, flip. We can reduce before we multiply. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 2/1 equals 2. 14. 1/3 divided by 4/9. We're going to keep, change, flip. We can reduce before we multiply. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 9 divided by 3 is 3. 1 times 3 equals 3, and 1 times 4 equals 4. So our answer is 3/4. Question number 15. 7/10 divided by 2/5. We're going to keep, change, flip. We can reduce before we multiply. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 7 times 1 equals 7, and 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 is able to divide 7 once with 3 left over. So our answer is 1 3/4. Question 16. 2/3 divided by 2/5. We're going to keep, change, flip. We can reduce before we multiply. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now we have to multiply across. 1 times 5 is 5, and 3 times 1 is 3. So our answer, which isn't reduced yet, is 5/3. 3 is able to divide 5 one time with 2 left over. So our answer is 1 2/3.